Did U.S. troops torture people? Did they commit war crimes here in Afghanistan? Did the Taliban or the Afghan military? The International Criminal Court has been trying to find out, and now a new move from the Trump administration to try and stop them, at least when it comes to U.S. forces.
The United States will designate ICC prosecutor Fatou Bensouda and the ICC's head of jurisdiction complementary and cooperation division, Fakiso Mochichuko, for having material assisted prosecutor Bensouda. Individuals and entities that continue to materially support those individuals risk exposure to sanctions as well.
That means the chief prosecutor and the head of an ICC department could be frozen out of the international banking system, have any of their U.S. assets frozen. Human rights groups are outraged.
The practical effect could be significant for these individuals, but I think we also have to see how damaging it is to have a U.S. administration take this position and this kind of a full assault and disregard for the global rule of law that using these sanctions represents.
The spokesman for the UN Secretary General says the move raises concerns.
The ICC, as you know, and especially the prosecutor, are independent of the Secretary General and of the UN. We have always stood for the need for international justice and for the issue of accountability and the fight against impunity.
The U.S. has often used its vast power in the financial industry to punish war criminals, now using the same tactic to go after the very people who are charged with punishing them. Patty Culhane, Al Jazeera.